In the last video, we seen that if we want to execute a Python program in our computer, then we need to install a Python interpreter. Then only we can able to execute a Python programming language in our computer, right? First, let's install the Python interpreter from Python website. Open your browser, then search Python interpreter. Search Python interpreter, then you will find a python.org Python website. And click this download Python site and click this download Python button. Then the Python launcher will download. This is the Python launcher. First, we need to download the Python launcher, and first we need to install this Python launcher. Now I am installing this Python launcher, and do not forget to click this checkbox, add python.exe to path, then click install now button. And if you have a Mac operating system or a Linux operating system, you will find the link here. Hope I am clear. It may take a few minutes to install a Python interpreter. Now I successfully installed the Python interpreter in my computer. Let's double check whether the Python interpreter installed in my computer. I'm going to use a CMD to check the Python interpreter installed or not. Now I'm going to give a command in a CMD, and the command is Python. Just click enter, and if you see Python 3.13 version installed in my computer. Now let's write our first program. I am using a print function to print a hello world message, and we need to give the message within double quotes. Later we will discuss about this print function. And if you see, when I press enter, the message printed. Now again I'm going to use a print function, and within a double quotes we need to give the message, and I am giving message that I am, and close bracket. If you see, the message got printed. If we want to print any message or any variable value within the output console, then we need to use a print function. And while giving a message, we need to write the message within a double quotes. In the next video, we will discuss about print function. And now there are multiple ways to execute a Python program. Now I'm going to use a Python online interpreter. I'm opening my browser and I'm searching for Python online interpreter. And if you see, you will get a multiple result. I am using this Programize website. Now, in a print function, I am printing a message that hello world. Let's execute this. If you see, why my D key is not working, actually my D key is not working. And if you see in the output console, the hello world got printed. If you see, there are multiple online compiler, there are multiple online interpreter, you can use anyone. And then next, what I'm going to do is I'm going to install the Spyder IDE. To this entire goes, I'm going to use a Spyder IDE to write and execute my Python program. To install Spyder IDE, search Spyder IDE and check the spelling for a Spyder, not SPIDR. The spelling is SPYDER. And click this download page. Based on your operating system, the site automatically detect and give you the download link. I successfully downloaded the Spyder IDE software. Now I'm going to install this Spyder IDE software. And if you see, click next, I agree button, then next, and click install button. The Spyder IDE software successfully installed in my computer, then click next button and finish button.